All right, if you followed me, you know what a fan of Jenis ice cream I am. I just like the product. I go to the one in St. Louis and the one in Nashville. And today, it looks like my mother has bought for, it says Kelly and Jenny, but yeah, I think that's just an old-fashioned, Mr. and Mrs. Kelly Johnson. It's really for Kelly. But this is the unboxing of the Jenis ice cream. It's a big box. I don't know if it's full of ice cream or not. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a cooler. All right, here's a card. Love, Barb. Thank you. And what kind of flavor? We got some dry ice here. Aha. So, we have Jenis Salted Pecan Butter Chocolate Flex. We have Jenis Darkest Chocolate. I don't like chocolate. Jenis Brand Berry Crisp. I remember we had that down in Florida. Coffee with cream and sugar. Jenis. And my favorite, the number one selling flavor, brown butter almond brittle. Kel Bob. Ow.